Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Miller with MediTrack. I wanted to invite you to the National FCA coming up next weekend, August 17th through the 20th in Orlando, Florida. I will be speaking on Friday, August 18th from 10:20 to noon on a all-female health panel titled Navigating Female Health in the Windermere Ballroom. And then again on Saturday, August 19th from 1 to 2:40 in Celebration Room 1 through 2. We'll be discussing evidence-based approaches to radiculopathy recovery. And it'll be a great talk if you're looking to add additional modalities to your practice to address cervical or lumbar radiculopathy cases. We'll be going over research behind different approaches, as well as some MRI review, interpretation, and rehab exercises that are complementary to optimal recovery. So I hope you join me for that talk, and I look forward to seeing you all there. Thanks so much.